Hi, my name is Sabrina, and today we are going to be solving problems with trig. Our objective today is the angle of elevation and the angle of depression. So the angle of elevation is when your eye moves up from horizontal to look above at an object, while the angle of depression is when the eye moves down horizontally to look at an object below. Okay, so our first problem has to do with the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of a courthouse from a point on the ground is 350 feet. Away from the base on level ground is 70 degrees. What is the height of the courthouse? Okay, so this is the given information that they gave us. The angle of elevation is 70 degrees and the base of the courthouse is 350 feet. We're going to be using tangent because it is opposite over adjacent. And with the given information that we have, this is the only trigonometric function that we can use. So how we're going to set up our equation is tan of 70 degrees equals x over 350. We're going to cross multiply, and it will be x equals tan of 70 degrees multiplied by 350. By using a graphing calculator, this will equal 961.61 feet, and that will be the height of the courthouse. So our second problem has to do with the angle of depression. The angle of depression from the top of a school building is 100 feet above the surface of the ground to a broken down vehicle is 20 degrees. How far is the vehicle away from the school? Just like the second one, just like the first one, we're going to take out the given information. And the angle of depression is 20 degrees, while the height of the school is 100 feet. We're going to be using tan again, but instead of putting x at the top, we're going to be putting x at the bottom because we have the height instead of the adjacent. So our equation will be tan of 20 degrees equals 100 divided by x. We're going to cross multiply, and it will be x equals 100 divided by tan over 20 degrees. And that will equal x equals 274.74 feet. And that will be how far away the vehicle is from the school. So our last problem also has to do with the angle of depression. And it says two ships are observed by lighthouse watchers. The lighthouse is 85 meters above the water. The angles of depression are 15 degrees and 9 degrees. What is the distance between the boats? So just like our first two problems, we're going to take out the given information. We have two angles of depression right now. And they are 15 degrees and 9 degrees. And and we also have 85 degrees, which is how high the lighthouse is from the water. So we're gonna solve for the angle of depression using both given information. So first we're gonna do tan of 15 degrees equals 85 over x. X equals 85. Tan of 15 degrees. And when we do that out, we will get 399.89 feet. And then we're also going to do it for tan of 9 degrees. So 85 over x. X equals 85 over tan of 9 degrees. And that will equal 692.26. Okay, since they're trying to find the distance between the boats, we're going to subtract our answers that we got. So we're going to subtract 692.26 subtracted by 399.89. And that equals 292.37 feet. 7 feet. And that is the distance between the two boats. And that is how you solve problems using trig. And I hope you guys understand it and have a nice day.